Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making blueberry muffins. For the dry ingredients we need self-raising flour, sugar, salt and cinnamon. For the wet ingredients we need neutral oil such as sunflower, milk, eggs and vanilla extract. And don't forget the star of the show, blueberries. In a bowl combine all the dry ingredients. So we start with the self-raising flour, the sugar, salt and cinnamon. Whisk this all together so there are no lumps left and everything is nicely incorporated. Set it aside and move on with the wet ingredients. In another bowl, add the oil and the milk. Crack that one stubby bastard of an egg in. And the other one as well. I forgot to show you that I added the vanilla extract as well, so add it at this stage. Whisk everything together and set aside. Before mixing the wet and dry ingredients together, we first need to prepare our muffin tray. Put a little muffin paper into each hole and set it aside. Now mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Mix until it's mixed and make sure not to over whisk it. Lastly, add in all of the blueberries and fold them in gently so they won't break apart. Grab a spoonful of the blueberry mixture and add it to each little cup. Bake in a 200°C oven for around 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, play with your dog or do something else. After they are cooked, remove them from the oven and let them cool down a bit in a tray before transferring them to a cooling rack. Let's have a look on the inside. It looks delicious! Enjoy! And that's it! I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any future videos of me, and I'll see you in the next one.